Hello everyone. In this video, I'll dump this UAZ off stairwell, the 6th floor, immediately. I'm saying damage. They will be strong. Inside, hunters 4 mannequins. Consequences of the blow. There used to be junk. The bottom, mannequins, whole ones. This is the side of the UAZ. The hood. It's the roof. It's me. I don't know. It's a door. I don't know either. It's still a door. It's a trapdoor. It's a wheel and a trunk. It's a bumper. It's a muzzle. It's a door card. The back seat. The wing. It's the door again. I don't know that. These are racks. I don't know that either. The silencer. It's trash. Here, these are the results. Bye everyone.